Hey y'all, it's Princess Beauty. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Here I'm going to be doing makeup videos on myself, okay? And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So first I have primer because I didn't prime yet. I have the Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Protection Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Got this right from Target. I already used a moisturizer that had sunscreen in it, so this is a plus. I actually really like this. It's so smooth. Has like a little glow to it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but y'all see my skin glowing? It's really looking good on me. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyebrows first before I get into the foundation. I'm going to be using the Brow Contour Pro by Benefit. It has a lighter shade, a darker shade, a definer, and a highlighter. Now, to me, this is a really good product. Every time I do my brows, I use this. You can also find this at TJ Maxx. Let me see. I'm going to use the lighter shade. Let's see. I also love this because, honestly, I do not like to use concealer, and yeah, I even stopped using the brow pomade. Let's see, I don't know why this one look like it seems like the lighter shade is like almost done in this one. Luckily I have a second one. These are hard to find in TJ Maxx, so when you see them, you gotta get at least 2 of them. Oops. I don't know. I was looking. Right now, but just the definer. The definer is like a little type of concealer. Alright, y'all, so I'm back and my brows are done, as you can see. So now I'm just going to set it really quick with my Pacifica High Def Hemp Fiber Brow Set. I really like this. Hold on. Alright, I'm going to put my brow gel on. Keep this in place. Now we're going to move on to concealer. Let's see. I'm going to be using the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade Medium 3. Alright, so now I'm going to use my setting powder, Neutrogena, in the shade medium. What is it? Medium beige. Let me see. Natural beige. All right. I'm going to be using the Pure Eye Polish base and top coat in the shade Silk. That's how it looks. It's rose gold. All right, now that my eyeshadow was done, I'm gonna get into some liner. Gonna be using the Kiss lash glue liner with some lashes by McKiwi. These are 5D natural and soft handmade lashes. All right, lashes are on. Now I'm going to go in with some little mascara. We're going to be using Marc Jacobs. Let me see, is this show? Nope. Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Mm. Just a little bit. Alright. Gonna do some lips. Let me see. Should I do Bobbi Brown, NARS, or MAC? Let me see. Gonna do a red maybe. Okay, so for my lips, I used the lip pencils by Stereo Lips, and I used two lipsticks by MAC and NARS. The MAC one is Lady Danger, and the NARS one is full-time females. The MAC one was red, and the NARS one was a pinkish type purple. Now we're gonna go with some blush by NARS, the Orgasm X. Gonna use the middle one. These are highlighting type blushes somewhat. They do have a little shimmer in it. Alright, real quick, just a little bit of highlight. Morphe. I'm gonna do I'm probably gonna use this one. An even distribution. Alright, y'all, and that's the complete look. I'm going to use my setting spray by Smashbox. And yeah, we are about done. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. How are y'all feeling the look? Like the brows, the lipstick, the highlight, lashes, eyeshadow, all of that. Yep. I really like how the makeup came out. Not very well. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Like y'all gonna see me in the next. Bye.